Well, the Economic and Social Research Council has developed an initiative to try and promote collaboration between researchers in the social sciences and humanities in the UK and in Japan. And our project has been supported by that initiative, and it's focused on end-of-life issues in the two countries. We've called it the Mitori Project, which is a Japanese word that refers to the idea of accompanying a person at the end of life. It's a little bit like the concept of watch with me that was used quite a lot by Cicely Saunders, who founded the modern hospice movement in Britain. So we like the concept of Mitori, and it really provides a focus for all of our work together. The idea is to bring together like-minded colleagues from different contexts, people of varying levels of experience, but particularly early career researchers, to try and map out some of the issues that the two countries, Japan and the United Kingdom, are facing with regard to end-of-life questions. We think there are some similarities between the two countries. For example, they're both characterized by aging populations and all of the challenges that go with providing good care to people at the end of life, at the end of a long life. But of course they're different in terms of culture, religion, politics, values, the kinds of wider things that shape how we approach end-of-life questions, services, beliefs and practices. So there's a real potential to learn from one another in this approach, and we've, I think, assembled a really fantastic team of people from the two countries to work together and to learn from one another. And to start off with, our main focus is going to be on three dimensions of these questions: the cultural dimensions, the practice dimensions, and the policy dimensions. But beyond that, we don't really know where we'll go, and that's the excitement of the workshop. Our goal at the end of it is to have a clear plan for our work for the next 6-9 months before we meet again in Japan in December of 2019.